Unit 4. Listen, repeat, learn and recite. ऐका, म्हणा, शिका आणि म्हणून दाखवा. How creatures move. प्राणी कसे चालतात. The lion walks on padded paws. The squirrel leaps from limb to limb. While flies can crawl straight up a wall, and seals can dive and swim. The worm he wiggles all around. The monkey swings by his tail, and birds may hop upon the ground or spread their wings and sail. But boys and girls have much more fun. They leap and dance and walk and run. Write down any 5 pairs of one, many. One book, many books. One cup, many cups. One dog, many dogs. One flower, many flowers. One girl, many girls. Now look at this chart. Try to make some meaningful sentences. तक्त्याचा उपयोग करून काही अर्थपूर्ण वाक्य तयार करा. Rain falls down the sky. A stone rolls on the hill. A river runs to the sea. The wind blows up the sky. Boats sail in the sea.